Good morning, this is Michael Lucy at 3V Business Solutions. Today we're going to provide a demonstration and example of how to stream Facebook events from a Facebook page to a third-party website. We're going to cover a lot of information, but my intention is to keep this video between 5 and 10 minutes. So a couple quick notes before we get started. Number one, since we're going to be going so quickly through this technical demonstration, anyone with a novice amount of experience or technical knowledge would have a difficult time implementing these features per the demonstration. For those people that would be watching this with a novice amount of experience, we ask that you still watch it. It will help demonstrate the relative simplicity of integrating Facebook events on a third-party website. And lastly, those with a moderate amount of knowledge, technical knowledge, we would expect to be able to implement Facebook events from a Facebook page to a third-party website. And before we get started, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always leave a comment on the blog associated with this video, or reach out or contact 3V Business Solutions at any time with any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have. So real quick, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is a Google search on Facebook SB Events Joomla. The first result in the search, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select a download. A quick note before we get started here. We at 3V Business Solutions use a CMS or content management system framework called Joomla. Of the hundreds or thousands of CMS systems available, the three most prevalent are Joomla, Drupal, and WordPress. We at 3V Business Solutions have experience with all three, and however, we prefer to use Joomla. That's our CMS of choice. However, if you have any questions with the implementation for this on Drupal or WordPress, feel free to reach out to 3V Business Solutions. This example is relevant or applicable to Joomla, specifically version 1.5 of Joomla. So I'm going to click the download button. The next screen is going to open a third-party website in which I'm going to download the Joomla 1.5 version of the Facebook SB Events plugin. So I'll click this button. It'll download in my download bar here. The next step is to go to my Joomla administration screen, which is the administration screen for this website here. This website happens to be a website that we're publishing for a customer this Friday, Mally's in Southgate. So some props or shout out to Mally's in Southgate, Mally's Sports Bar and Grill. On this website, they have a tab called Events. You'll see right now that it's blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable this plugin, walk through the steps that are required to enable this plugin. First thing we're going to do is select Extensions, Install, Uninstall in the administration screen of Joomla. Then we're going to choose the file that we just downloaded. There it is. Then we're going to click the Upload File and Install. I'm not going to click this button because I already have this installed on this system or on this website. What would happen is upon clicking the Upload File and Install, you receive a message that the install was successful. Once it's installed, we're going to go to Extensions, Plugin Manager. We're going to type the word Events in the filter here and then select Go. And here's the plugin we had just installed. I'll click the plugin, and real quick I'll review with you the required bare bones minimum required fields in order to enable this plugin to work. First thing you want to do is select Enabled Yes. The default comes as No, meaning that the plugin is not available for use within the website. So I'll select Yes here. Next, I'm going to complete the three fields: Facebook App ID, Facebook Secret Key, and Facebook Page ID. Over here at a site called developers.facebook.com is what us developers might refer to as our toolbox. These are all the tools that we use to integrate Facebook with third-party websites. I'm going to select the Apps button up top, and I'm going to select the respective app in which, for this site, in which I'd like to implement this plugin for. In this case, it's Mally's. I'm going to highlight, and copy the app ID or API key right here. Right there. Copy it, paste it into the app ID field here. Likewise, I'm going to do the same thing with the app secret key. Paste it in over here. At a later point in time, we'll provide a video with a little bit more detail as to exactly what a Facebook app is. Lastly, we need to know what page we're going to retrieve events from. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is go to the Facebook, the real Facebook page, and I'm going to find the page in which the events are listed that I want to integrate or stream to my website. In this case, it's Maley's Grill and Bar. I'm going to take the friendly name of this page, which is up top in the URL, Maley's Sports Bar and Grill. I'm going to copy that friendly name, and in the URL bar, I'm going to type graph.facebook.com/ and I'm going to paste the friendly name in there. It's going to return to me a screen of public information for Maley's Grill and Bar. Towards the bottom is going to be a field called ID. What we want to do now is copy this ID value right after the ID field identifier right there. Go back to this screen, and we're going to paste into there the Facebook page ID. Real quick note about graph.facebook.com. This will provide to you any and all public information available for persons, pages, events, pages, organizations, businesses, etc., etc. So as a further example, I'm going to type michael.lucy1, which is my public friendly name right there. And this is my public information that's available for anyone to see. All right, back to the task at hand here. We've completed these 3 fields. Lastly, I'm going to select the information that I want to stream to our web page. So I'm going to select image, title, date, description, location, and link. Lastly, in the title settings, I'm going to make sure that title linkable is on. What this will do is it will link the title for the Facebook event such that when the title is clicked in a separate browser window, the Facebook page and or event will open. After that's all done, I'm going to select Save. Then what I'm going to do is go back to Maley's Sports Grill and Bar, and I'm going to create an event. Because once again, on this Events tab, there's no events to stream to the website. So within here, I'm going to quickly create an event. I'm going to call it Test ABC, Test ABC, Website, Facebook, Integration, Test. I'll select the date in the future, Friday at 6 p.m. Select Create. The event will thus be created. I'll add a nice little friendly photo, relevant photo. Somewhere in here is Maley's. List. Maley's. Maley's logo V10. It's going to load the icon or image. That'll go back to this screen, select events, and voila. We have the image, the title, the description, the date, the time, location, and a link to the event itself. So we'll see how long we took. So we took 8 minutes and 45 seconds for this demonstration. Once again, the purpose of this demonstration was to display or demonstrate the relative simplicity for integrating Facebook events or Facebook components on a Joomla website. These tools can be easily applied to Drupal, WordPress, or other third-party standalone websites as required. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, we ask that you leave those on our Facebook page and or the blog entry at the bottom when there's Facebook comments. So with that being said, I'd like to wish everyone a great day, and I look forward to the next video. Have a great day. Bye now.